Hello from Hanover Master. Today we're going to discuss about services for your life cycle with circularity at its core. So the first thing that I ask people when they come here to the booth is, imagine you have a product and it's a damaged product on site. What do? Do you repair? Do you modernize? Do you replace? What's the first solution that comes into your mind? And actually, I ask these questions because it shows a lot how you manage your resources. And that's what we want to achieve here. When you think about circularity, and all of this title here is actually pretty intentional, because people think about circularity as like a complex idea, something that is not for everyone, just for experts. And what we want to say is that this is not true. Circularity is for everyone. And it's actually pretty simple. Circularity could be, in an easy way, defined by how can we maximize the use of our resources? So back to my question, right? Repair, modernize, replace, what do you do all of that together? Actually, the right answer would be you can do everything together, depending on the stage that you are of your life cycle. For example, when we think about repair, actually it's the first solution that you can have because it's a cheap way for you to extend the lifetime of a product, right? Then you think about modernization. When is the right time to do modernization? When you want to update technology. This could be because of like a software update, cybersecurity update, or any other requirements or technical requirements, right? Then after that, what will be the other phase of the life cycle? The take back. The take back is actually how Schneider collects the material from the customer so that we can refurbish that and put it back to the markets. So we'll be actually closing the loop of circularity. And how do we use and in which stage do you use this refurbished offer, right? For the customers that they want to do the repair, but they don't have a lot of time, and time is an asset that is really critical, we have the offer as well of the exchange, which is basically you can call Schneider like, Schneider, I have a problem with a product on site, would you help me? And we can send straight away a refurbished offer, or if you don't have this availability on time, we can send a new one. You can see you can have different offers, different services to maximize the use of your resources and choose each one in an intentional way. Thank you.